Hello friends. Have you ever experienced low power when accelerating, or felt like your turbo isn't working as it should? If you've scanned your car and found code P0241, then it's time to take action. What does this code mean, and how can you fix it? Stay tuned because we'll break it all down and help you get back on the road smoothly. P0241 stands for Turbocharger Boost Sensor B circuit range or performance. This means the ECU, or engine control unit, has detected that the turbo boost pressure is outside the expected range, either too high or too low. Symptoms of P0241 include loss of engine power, sluggish acceleration, the check engine light turning on, excessive black smoke from the exhaust, and unusual turbo noises like whistling or hissing. Ignoring this issue can lead to poor fuel economy, engine stress, and potential turbocharger damage. To diagnose and fix P0241, you need to locate these key components. The boost pressure sensor, or BPS, is usually found on the intercooler pipe, intake manifold, or sometimes directly on the turbocharger. The manifold absolute pressure, or MAP sensor, is typically mounted on the intake manifold or the throttle body. The turbocharger wastegate and actuator are located right on the turbocharger assembly, and they control your boost pressure. Also, be sure to inspect vacuum hoses and the wiring harness. Look for any issues with the vacuum lines going to the turbo actuator, and check for wiring damage near the sensors. If any of these components fail, P0241 can be triggered, which will affect your turbo boost performance. So, common causes of P0241 include a faulty boost pressure sensor, or BPS. If the sensor is failing, it can send incorrect boost pressure data. Another cause is a clogged or faulty MAP sensor. A dirty MAP sensor can lead to incorrect readings. Boost leaks or cracked hoses are also common culprits. Any leaks in the intercooler piping or vacuum lines can result in low turbo boost. If the turbocharger wastegate is stuck open, the turbo can't generate the required pressure. You might also be dealing with turbocharger problems. A worn-out or damaged turbo may not be able to create enough boost. And finally, wiring or connector issues. Damaged wiring can prevent the ECU from receiving proper sensor signals. Now, how do you fix P0241? Step 1. Check the boost pressure sensor, or BPS, using a scan tool to compare real-time data. If the readings are off, just go ahead and replace the sensor. Step 2. Clean or replace the MAP sensor if it's dirty or clogged. Step 3. Inspect all vacuum hoses and boost pipes for cracks or leaks. Replace any damaged parts you find. Step 4. Test the wastegate actuator to make sure it moves freely and isn't stuck. Step 5. Check for loose or damaged wiring near the turbo system and sensors. And finally, Step 6. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take a test drive to confirm the fix. P0241 is a turbo-related issue that can affect your car's performance and efficiency. Fixing it early will make sure your turbo works correctly and your engine runs smoothly. If the issue sticks around, it's a good idea to consult a professional mechanic for further diagnosis. Want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos: P0177, Fuel Composition Sensor Circuit Low Input, and P0178, Fuel Composition Sensor Circuit High Input. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.